Hello everyone, this is Cindy. Thanks for joining me today. I am here to show you 4 more planners that I have added to my Etsy shop. They are pocket size 3.5 by 5.5 inch inserts. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Hello everyone, this is Cindy with Monarch Mom DIY. I am back today with another video showing you some planners that are now in my Etsy shop. These are a pocket size, so the inserts inside are 3.5 inches by 5.5 inches. And so it's a little more compact, fits in your hand really nicely. And these are made from a Hobby Lobby paper and accessory line called LOL, but it's spelled E-L-L-E, E-L-L-E, LOL. So very, very cute papers and accessories. And like I said, these are in my Etsy shop right now. You can go to Etsy.com and search the shops, Monarch Mom DIY, and you will see these there, along with some B6, which are the 5x7 planners that are also there. So as you'll see here, I have 2 that have this Hello Lovely with the old-fashioned telephone cover. And then I have 2 that have the pink flowers on a darker pink background. They are essentially the same inside with minor differences, and I'll tell you what those are as we go. So what I want to do is keep this pretty short and just give you a little flip through of these 2 planners. And then if you are interested, you can head on over to my Etsy shop and check them out. If you don't see them there, that means they are gone. But like I said, there are 2 of each. So the Hello Lovely with the telephones, actually all 4 of them have white elastic. I'll open it up. Inside there is a clear adhesive pocket to the inside cover, and just a cute little laminated pocket that has some fun little die cuts, a planner, a coffee cup. These did not come with the kit. I've added those in. These are a couple of the girls that go along with this paper line. I did laminate these. You could use them as bookmarks if you'd like in your different parts of your planner. So that is in the inside cover. That is the same in all 4 planners. All right, these planners have an undated monthly calendar, an undated weekly. Both of those have a removable cover. So let me take this out and show you. I'll just show you this on the first one. All right, so this removable cover I actually made using a very thick sheet protector. I cut it to size and fused it, cut it inside like a folder, so you can change out the paper that goes on your cover, and then it just sets inside whichever book you want. This happens to be the undated monthly calendar. Looks like this. Okay, the next one is your undated weekly, again a removable cover. Also inside here I have stuck a variety of planner stickers. So that's the great thing about these covers, is they also double as a folder with some pockets. Here is your undated weekly. It's a week on 2 pages. You have a laminated, let me take all of this out so you can see what's in here. It's just a laminated, it's called a dashboard, or you can use it as a bookmark. It kind of sticks out of your book. There is another clear adhesive pocket here, and I'm giving you an extra one that you can stick wherever you would like. This is your washi tape sample card. I gave you 6 different washies. These actually are also from Hobby Lobby in a tube. It is designed to go with these papers. So that is inside your dashboard bookmark as well. And you have your elastic pen loop with a pen. Again, if you haven't seen these videos, this is on a binder clip, so you can literally stick this wherever you'd want in your planner. I just happened to stick it on the dashboard bookmark here. So wherever you put that, your pen goes right inside. I will mention these pens. These are some of my favorite pens from the Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 3, and I just love how smoothly they write. So you also get one of those nice pens, but feel free to change it out for whatever pen you'd like. All right, after your monthly and weekly calendars, your next insert is a laminated dashboard. It's just like a folder but without pockets. And inside I have a variety of sticky notes here that you can use in your planners. Your last insert, your fourth one, also has a removable cover, and it is just a lined paper notebook that I've cut down and made to fit to size. Okay? The last thing you have, you saw me taking them out as I flipped through, are 3 paper clips. This was a hair bow that I put on a larger gold paper clip. This was purchased like this on a smaller gold paper clip. You have the little pom-pom and a gold paper clip arrow. These are the same. The clips are the same for both of the Hello Lovely planners. Okay, just stick those in. All right, so that is the Hello Lovely. You've got 2 of them. There are 2 in my Etsy shop. The other one is the pink floral, again with a white band. You have a pocket inside. This is the same. Your clips are slightly different colors. Your bow is pink. You still have the arrow, and you have a pom-pom, but it's the mint green. Okay? Different papers, but they all coordinate. They're all from the same paper pad. Monthly calendar with removable cover. Here's your planner stickers inside the cover of your undated weekly calendar. Your laminated dashboard bookmark with your pen loop and your pen, your washi sample card, and your additional clear adhesive pocket. You can put, maybe you want to put it on the inside back cover, wherever you'd like. All right, your laminated folder that has a variety of sticky notes you can use in your planner, and your removable cover lined notebook. All right, so that is it for this video. Comment below if you have any questions. Head on over to my Etsy shop if you are interested. Again, this is pocket size, fits very nicely in the hand. It's only about an inch thick here, so it's compact. You can carry it around with you. A great size for in your purse or your bag. All right, thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time. Take care.